Jai guys, anyway here in Rudakshmal in Guwahati. So unveiling ceremony of Kylaq in Guwahati in particular and for Northeast region in general. So and you can see here, there is here and you can have a look here. The Kylaq has been unveiled and there are lots of people who are interested and why not? So guys, I have already covered the Kylaq in unveiling in Calcutta and 5th of January and I have already covered the details of Kylaq and explained to you the different things and already the celebrated photo journalists, they have already given you a detailed walk around about Kylaq. So I will not be delving into too much of details of the Kylaq in this video. I am giving a link of my earlier video in the description so you can go and check it out. So today I will tell you what the Kylaq has achieved very recently. It has achieved 5-star safety rating in both adult and child occupancy. And that's a fantastic achievement. I think their score is the best in the segment. So Guwahati welcomes Kylaq and just after the Kylaq has gone through the Bharat New Car Assessment Program, that is the Bharat NCAP, where the Kylaq has achieved 5-star rating in both adult and child occupancy. So Guwahati is welcoming Kylaq and at the right moment because the Kylaq has just recently gone through the Bharat NCAP car assessment program, that is Bharat NCAP test and the rating is consistent across all the variants, making it the safest internal combustion engine sub-4-metre SUV tested under Bharat NCAP so far. Yes, the adult occupant protection AOP, the Kylaq scored 30.88 points out of 32. The frontal offset deformative barrier test revealed strong performance with good protection for the driver's head, neck, right leg, while chest and leg protection were rated adequate. The front passenger demonstrated good protection in all critical areas including head, neck, chest and legs. For side impact scenarios, the Kylaq achieved 15.84 out of 16 points in the side movable deformable barrier test, showing good protection for the head, abdomen and lower back, while the chest rated adequate. The SUV also secured a good rating in the side pole impact test. The child occupant protection was a strong area for the Kylaq, scoring 45 out of 49 points. Can you imagine that? It earned foot marks 24 out of 24 in dynamic testing using child distance system and 12 out of 12 in the CRS installation. Awesome. The Kylaq which was tested was the Prestige MT variant and yet the safety rating applies all trims including the Classic, the base variant, Signature and the Signature Plus variant. Now the Kylaq will be soon available in the dealership. So here is Miss Gina, who is sales executive of Apuna Skoda. Hi Gina, how are you? Kenuka asa bhal? Okay. So congratulations. Iman dhuniya eta bostu product 5-star safety rating paisa tomaluke. So etu gari khon ketia for public available hobo tomar showroom?
First of all, good evening everyone. Sales consultant of Skoda, Gina. আসলে আমার এখন গাড়ি আপনার 27 পৰা ডেলিভারি স্টার্ট হ'ব। অলরেডি হিউজ কাস্টমার্স আমি ভাল রেসপন্স পাইছো আৰু অলরেডি আপনার বুকিংস হৈ গৈছে আমাৰ ভালেখিনি। সো ক'বলৈ বিচাৰিছিলোঁ যে 27 পৰা আপোনাৰ ডেলিভারি স্টার্ট হ'ব আৰু স্পেশাল ডিসকাউন্ট আহিছে। আসলে তেনেকৈ ডিসকাউন্ট নাথাকে কিন্তু আমাৰ স্কোডা পেন ইণ্ডিয়াৰ পৰা ডিসকাউন্টটো এইটো হৈছে যে 33,333 যদি আপোনাৰ ইউনিটছত বুকিং হয় আৰু আপোনাৰ 26লৈকে এইটো লাষ্ট ডেট আছে আপোনাৰ বুকিং অনলাইন
26 January
হয় 26 January 2025
okay
আপোনাৰ অনলাইন যদি থ্ৰু দি বুকিং কৰে লিংকলৈ গৈ তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনাৰ স্কোডা মেইনটেনেন্স পেকেজটো যোনটো আছে আপোনাৰ 3 বছৰৰ কাৰণে ফ্ৰী থাকিব
wow this is great okay
আৰু যোনটো আপোনাৰ 15,000 কিলোমিটাৰ or else 1 year whichever is earlier আমাৰ প্ৰথম সাৰ্ভিসিংটো হয়
so nice of it thank you so much
Welcome,
and congratulations again
Thank you so
on behalf of the customers karon Kylaq has secured 5-star
Yes,
safety
yes.
rating in both adult and child occupancy
yes.
with very good score
Thank you.
very good score so this is
ahok amar showroom le ahok
তোমার শোরুম টু কত আছে
amar khanapara hoy
Okay.
warehouse opposite Hindustan Tower
আৰু এটা আছে মালিগাঁও
মালিগাঁৱত আছে
okay
আহক আপোনালোকে মালিগাঁৱতো আহক খানাপাৰাতো আহক যোনটো সুবিধা হয় আৰু আমাৰ আজি লাষ্ট ডেট হয় 20 আৰু এইটো মাহৰ লাষ্টৰ ফালে আপোনালোকে টেষ্ট ড্ৰাইভটো এভেইলেবল হৈ যাব কাইণ্ডলি কণ্টেক্ট কৰিব
okay so shall I give you your contact number
yeah sure you can.
okay okay
Thank you so much.
okay thank you
Welcome,
thank
sir.
you very much